Hello, welcome to 16 Bits Tech. My name is Luis, and today let's talk about GitHub Copilot. Okay, for this GitHub Copilot, I'm waiting for maybe a long time, and 2 weeks ago, I received a mail regarding to test the GitHub Pilot, and then I follow this link here in order to install the plugin inside my IntelliJ. Okay, for that, let's just to reinforce here, you need to use the version 2021.2. If you don't have this version, please update to this version in order to be able to install the plugin. Okay, let's sum up what the GitHub Copilot is a plugin, as I said before, to help you to write less code. Is this a good approach or is it a bad approach? Depends, because as Lombok does, if you know you need to create a constructor or create a builder, partner, or getting setter, you can pay attention on your job instead of creating a lot of code. Okay, from my point of view, any tool that help you developer to increase your time, to level up your time to code, to do another task, let's say this way, is better. And then the plugin is this. I created a project inside my GitHub. The name is GitHub Copilot, right? I just let's jump here. I just to create a model. You know, this class is student teacher, and for my surprise, for me it's clear, and I can let's create another class here. The name should be, let's create a department, okay? Because some attributes of this class is, let's say, given to you. You don't need to think about it. Okay, let's department here, the department without slash, and see the magic of the GitHub. Okay, just to add the file. Okay, you can add to the GitHub, and here let's just to check again the plugin. We have the plugin here in tools, GitHub Copilot, and we have some topics here. But if you back to the tutorial here, you can follow this one and then enjoy this feature from the GitHub. Okay, so for the department, let's say you want to create some attributes, and then let's say using the private, and here we have the suggestion. Okay, that's so amazing because you don't need every time, let's say you want to create a new model, sometimes you need to create a lot of code and so on, but in this case you just use the tab button, okay, description, and then location, and then let's wait, ID, and then give me more, please. Yes, okay, you know, this is amazing. Oh, sorry, I pressed enter instead of using the tab. Okay, so using the tab, you have the constructor using the fields. But in your case, as I said before, you don't need to use that. If you using the Lombok, you can import it. Remember, or not a constructor. No? Let's just to add a constructor from Lombok. It's fine. We can create a department and so on. You know, this is a way to you pick if it fits to you. You can pick or not. Okay, don't let's say but this is not attribute from department. This belongs to another entity or another domain. The focus here is not about the concise about the GitHub Copilot, but how the GitHub Copilot help you to tackle some difficult or some speed inside your code. Okay, this is my personal approach. I don't use it for professional life, right? But this is for me it's great too, in order to, I don't have the getter insetters here because we have the annotation. Let's push the annotation. Let's Command Shift, Command X, and then push here and use the getters. Let's just to avoid this kind of thing. Okay, don't have the getter. Okay, so the idea here is just to see the plugin and how powerful the plugin is. I saw some videos regarding the JavaScript, but in this case I'm using Java. Okay, Java and JavaScript are completely, let's say, different approach, because you have Java for one thing and JavaScript for another purpose. Let's delete this class because this is making more noise than expected. Let's delete this class and then you can prove another one. This class is already made by me, okay, made by, let's say, by Copilot, but let's revert the code. But the code is, let's say, equals to the repository, and then you see here proposal for the GitHub Copilot. Okay, so you can click here and then you have the name. Let's say name is empty, and so on. Okay, then you need to put the asset here. Oh, sorry, the tab, and close this one, and then the plugin suggests to you another test, another attribute. Okay, it's not only for the test, right? If you, let's imagine we can create a new service, let's say tunnels service, and you want to create a new method or a method really used by it's common use. Let's say you have the suggestion to, let's say, the public key. Let's type correctly. Let's public key, let volume or whatever. Destroy. No, you want to check is not, yeah, check if tunnels empty. Let's say in this case, is you don't need to type every word inside your code. The plugin for me works fine. It's amazing. I really like it. I know my opinion is not, let's say, good thing, but I really like it because, think about it, you don't need to type every word in your program. You need to speed up your program. You need to concentrate in your important part of your system. If you're not important in your system, no problem at all. You can jump to another thing and delegate to Copilot to help you to speed up your code. In this case, using Java. I saw using the JavaScript, they make a lot of better things. Let's say using the comment. If you, let's say, put here check if is integer, let's say, or something like that, and then the plugin generate for you as this is here. Okay, this is a amazing thing. Insert time or time, let's say we as developer write this code a lot of times, a bunch of times. This is let's say it's a common, and then you have the code. Let's try another one. Check date. This is a common too. Check and date is valid. Let's say it's valid. It's fine. And then we press the tab, and voila, we have the code here. Okay, using the simple date format. And then if you want to create a test for tunnels, and you create, let's say, option enter, let's create a test for this class, for this service, and test for the two, it's fine. You can add, but in this case we don't have the option because we're creating by ourselves the method. Okay, let's avoid this one, and then let's wait the Copilot help us in this case. Okay, now I deleted the code, and then the Copilot help us to create a test. Is a totally amazing. We don't have this method here. We can create this one, no problem. But the focus of this video is not show everything regarding, let's say, that it's false. This is and give to you to us a lot of, let's say, chance to work with this plugin. The plugin we will learn, and then it will give us opportunity to make amazing things. Okay, so this is video for today. I don't turn on I'm not turn on, sorry, my camera today because I'm transition between home, so it's a little bit difficult to reserve a space to have it. But let's continue this way, and when I have the opportunity to use the camera again, I will turn on the camera and you'll see my face here on the left side. Okay, thank you for your patience. I put the link of this Copilot 2 and the GitHub inside the video. Okay, bye bye, have a great week too. See you